How y'all doing? And thanks for tuning in. And yes, this is Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, trucks, and SUVs, and especially this brand spanking new 2023 Ford Lightning. I'm going to try to keep this fairly simple. Got a lot of requests for the Ford Lightning, so what we formulated here with the cooperation of Sound Off is a special exclusive setup available only at Wicked Warnings for the VHB mounting of 3-inch mpower light. Now you could do amber or amber white as shown, or any combination thereof of the 3-inch mpower lighting. And with our special mount, it's a VHB edition right to the top of the hood. Now this will fit F-150s and many other vehicles, but we're just displaying it here on this Lightning because the customer wanted a nice hood mount better than what Ford offers as the factory package. I don't know if you've seen the Ford factory package or not. One, it's not offered for the Lightning. Two, it's actually just a steel clip that goes behind here, and it uses the Sound Off Ghost light, which I don't really like as much as the mpower. It's a little larger, and I don't think it's quite as good. I like the way that this bezel here is ramped up. It works very nicely. This is a VHB mount underneath here to the hood itself, and the wiring runs right along the back there. It's an extremely sleek, car wash friendly mount for a VHB quick mount 3-inch mpower, and this is available only in the 3-inch. We are not manufacturing this for the 4-inch, and again, you can only get this kind of setup right here with the lights included and the mounts at Wicked Warnings. This is an exclusive to Wicked Warnings. Around the back of this beast, you can catch that 4x2 Sound Off mpower bezel. Now, we are using the 4x2 mpower light in that bezel, which is available in all colors, but if you elected, you could mount a different light, such as our Thin-X, on that bezel as well. So, you're not allocated to only using the 4x2 light on that bezel, but it does work extremely nice and matches very nicely with the 3-inch mpower on the hood. That is why we did it. Below there, you can see in this full LED tail light our plug-and-play reverse flasher. Now, this tail light is a combo tail brake, meaning all of the red LED portion is dual duty. It does a dim tail light and a bright brake light. Therefore, we more than likely will not be making a flashing kit for the red portion of these Lightnings. But we have the plug-and-play reverse flasher, which, as you can see, alternate flashes the reverse. Make sure that if you find anybody else doing it, that they're alternately flashing the reverse like this, because what fun is a simultaneous only flash? So we have 30 different flash patterns on this module. It's plug and play behind each taillight, and it's ran right forward to our wireless switch. That's right, on this build, we just went ahead and used our wireless switch, which has a nice little key fob like this, so you can turn off the lights and turn on the lights remotely, or comes with 2 fobs, so we're going to go ahead and Velcro one right to the dashboard of the truck, and that way he can have one as a spare, and the other one will be Velcroed to the dashboard of the truck. Speaking about wiring on this package, going to be real simple. Your reverse plug-and-play kit's going to come with everything you need. It's going to install module on the driver's side. It's going to run up the driver's frame easily, the 18.5 power control wire, and pop up through the driver's floor to whatever switch you're going to use, whether it be our wireless or a regular standard rocker switch. If you happen to have factory auxiliaries, I'm not sure if they're offered on the Lightning, but those could work as well. So above that, the bezel, it's going to come with the bezel and the lights if you choose. It's also going to come with a 30-foot piece of 18.5 to run from the back of that bezel straight down along the side of the driver's side rear window there on the very back corner, down to the floor and forward along the floor. Do not run that wire up through the headliner where the airbags are. Run it straight down the back window corner to the floor and forward to the floor to, again, your switch. That's all there is in the back. Real simple.